and again.
I used to use the Denman brush.
Which is even worse.
What?
The tangles, for me, is what, like, feeling that your hair is able to be this tangled. I've never felt you this tangled before.
Yeah.
Like, this is a little extra, right?
I have like the styling brush with the ridges on the side.
Oh, I hate that.
Really?
Because I know what you do when you style it. You get it in the bristles, which is not just the flexy ones. Aren't there some boar bristles in there?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay, there's some extra tension. And then you're adding even more tension when you twist it to get your hair into those grooves. And you're pulling on it or whatever to get that tension. And then, of course, you're going to get that ribbony spring back. That's great if you did it every now and again. But the problem is people are like, oh, this is how I style my hair. You might as well just blow it out. Get a curling iron. Like, it's that stretch damage is just as taxing because you're getting cracks and breaks. So this doesn't surprise me if that's a regular thing of yours.
I've just been using that recently.
I would not. I would use that every now and again.
I used to use the Denman brush.
Which is even worse.
What?
It's got a rubber base. That rubber base is why you're getting so much grip. When your hair is wet, it only has three aspects of strength. Yeah. When it's wet, it loses two of them. So when you're pulling and stretching on that wet hair, you're getting a lot of like breakdown in your hair, and you do that over and over and over and over again. That's where breakage comes from. So then when you have more breakage, you wind up with way more knots because you have all this random length in the breakage.
This is like a breakthrough right now. So, okay, I don't use those brushes anymore.
Like, it's not on the regular. Like, I'm fine with anybody doing anything as long as they understand what it is in fact doing to their hair.
Yeah, that's insane. I remember when my hair was this short and how like circular it was.
Yeah.
And so I'm like, fuck, I kind of miss that. So I kind of want to go like crazy style with the layers today. Like
you want to do?
I want to go crazy with the layers.
Got you.
Like crazy layers. Like I want to
at the top.
Yeah.
Connected somewhat to the rest of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I'm gonna see like if I want more off, then maybe I might. But I don't know.
Just off the bottom.
Yeah.
Where are you okay with me nicking that?
Like I'm telling you, I'm talking about like dusting it.
Okay. What that means to me is like, to me, basically that's like not cutting it.
Exactly.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get everything that you're looking for. Mm-hmm. Like, okay, cool. We're going to work the hell out of that.
Yes.
You're talking about you want this as big as you can, right?
So yeah, I've been missing having really big hair.
Okay.
So I want to see how many layers we can get in this. Like I want to go short as possible. I want this to be huge. I've been missing having really big hair.
Okay.
So I want to see how many layers we can get in this. Like I want to go short as possible. Everybody in the comments were like, girl, just cut the bottom off. And I'm like, hey guys, I want the length. But if it really starts looking way too disconnected, I'm down to cut a little off.
Can I go back to what you're saying about cutting it as short as possible? So a lot of people will equate like, oh cool, if I cut this super short, it's gonna give me volume. Mm-hmm. And that's just not true. Mm-hmm. If I cut this down to an inch, your hair is not gonna stand up at all. It's just gonna be this little tiny thing and you're not gonna be getting any size. Mm-hmm. So we need to find that perfect sweet spot balance to where it's like, okay, cool. We know this is too long because this is flattening her out, but we need to get down short enough, but leave enough to where when she styles it, it expands out. You're looking to fill the room up, not necessarily have short.
Exactly. Whenever I get my hair cut, I don't have a part, and I don't like having a part anymore.
Right.
I like it when it's
get rid
all
of that.
here. You know, I like when it grows out. The way it grows out. Yeah, it's awesome.
It looks great. Yeah. Like your grow out is awesome. Is it easy enough? Like as it grows out?
Yeah. I have to turn it into like a sidebar.
A different thing. Yeah. You're looking to get that pump back.
I love it because it's like my signature look.
It is. It really is.
I really love it so much. So I'm really excited. So yeah, just like a shit ton of volume up at the top. I still want to keep the length.
Okay.
So.
Cool. Easy.
Yeah.